You probably have a lot of existing documents that you've used in your classes before. Let's look at how to integrate all of that valuable content into your new Canvas shells in the most accessible way. The best way to have accessible course content is to use Canvas's rich content editor to create web content instead of uploading or embedding documents from other tools. Google Docs has very limited accessibility features and can be difficult to navigate with Access technology. And even Microsoft Word's robust accessibility checker has a lot of potential barriers that it doesn't check for. You can get to Canvas's rich content editor by creating a new page or editing an existing page. It's also available in the discussion, quiz, and assignment description areas. Whenever an edit button on Canvas takes you to a page with an array of formatting tools above a large edit box, you've found the rich content editor. This editor looks a lot like any other document editing tool, but what you're editing is actually a simple web page. You can even see the code that the page is made of by toggling the HTML editor button below the edit box. With any RCE open your document in its desktop application or a different tab. Select the text that you want to transfer or use Ctrl-A to select the entire contents of the document, then copy it. I use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-C to copy. Go back to the RCE and paste your content into the main edit box. The keyboard shortcut for paste is Ctrl-V. All of your text will be pasted with its semantic formatting, like your headings and table structure, but any manual formatting like colors and highlights will be removed. Instead, your content will be styled by our shared style sheet, which ensures visual consistency across all of our course shells. If your document had a heading 1 at the top, put that into the page title field instead of including it in the page content. You may have noticed that the accessibility checker below the edit box has notifications for you now. Activate that button, and a pane will open on the right to walk you through each issue that it has noticed with guidance on how to resolve them immediately. Make sure that you use the Apply button instead of Next if you've addressed an issue, or your changes won't be applied. If you don't understand one of the issues, use the Y button to get an explanation. There will usually be a link to a longer reference if you want more information. Hit Save when you're done. By using the rich content editor instead of uploading your document, you've created a web page which interacts with Access technology much more reliably than any other document format.